Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today, we have a tangy and refreshing dish to share with you. We're diving into the world of Chinese cuisine and uncovering the secrets behind a beloved salad, Chinese coleslaw. But wait, we'll also reveal some intriguing unknown facts about this crunchy delight. So, let's grab our veggies and explore the wonders within. To begin our culinary adventure, let's explore the key ingredients that make Chinese coleslaw so irresistibly delicious. We have a generous amount of shredded cabbage, carrots, and other colorful vegetables, providing a delightful crunch. Then, we have a tangy dressing made with vinegar, soy sauce, and a hint of sweetness, which adds a burst of flavor to this classic salad. Now, let's start mixing and creating our delightful Chinese coleslaw. But before we do that, let me share with you some intriguing unknown facts about this refreshing dish. Fact number 1. Chinese coleslaw, also known as liangban kai, is a popular side dish in Chinese cuisine. It has a long history and is often enjoyed during summer months as a cooling and refreshing accompaniment to other dishes. Fact number 2. Chinese coleslaw is not just a feast for the taste buds, it's also packed with nutritional benefits. Cabbage and carrots are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making this salad a healthy choice that supports digestion and overall well-being. Fact number 3. Chinese coleslaw is a versatile dish that can be customized to suit individual preferences. You can add your favorite vegetables, such as bell peppers or radishes, and even incorporate additional flavors like ginger or garlic for an extra kick. And there you have it, our colorful and tangy Chinese coleslaw. The combination of crunchy vegetables and the zesty dressing creates a salad that is not only visually appealing but also bursting with flavor. Now that we've unveiled the unknown facts and mixed up this delightful salad, it's time to savor the crunch. Absolutely refreshing. The crispness of the vegetables, combined with the tangy dressing, creates a harmonious balance of flavors that will leave you craving more. That's all for today's video, food enthusiasts. We hope you enjoyed discovering the hidden secrets and irresistible crunch of Chinese coleslaw. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how this vibrant salad turned out for you. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting culinary adventures. Until next time, enjoy your colorful creations.